Good evening, may gabi sa tanan. We are now in our Day 6 Life of a Teacher Series number 6. Ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay ang no-failing grade system in Thailand. Sang-ayon ba kayo o hindi? So I've been here for almost 17 years in teaching. So hindi kami pwedeng magbagsak ng estudyante. Sila lahat kailangan pasado. Ang grading system pala ng Thailand is the lowest grade is 50%. So 49 failed ka na. Unlike in the Philippines, I don't know if it's still the same, 75%. Kung 74 na yung grade mo, bagsak ka na. Dito is 50%. So 49 you already fail. Pero we are instructed not to fail the students. Even in a government school and in the private school, it's also applicable. Bawal magbagsak ng estudyante. We will give them the chance. That's why, especially in the private school, meron kaming tinatawag na extra class for slow learners. Students who need help, reinforcement in their learning. Meron din mga remedial strategies, what to do for the students who are very slow in the class. And some students also, they have their private tutorial classes, or even they study in the language center to help them cover up with the lesson that they find it difficult. So, hindi talaga pwedeng magbagsak ng estudyante. Kung pwede, bigyan sila ng additional work or projects para lang nilang maipasa. Kayo, ano ang masasabi nyo? Okay ba to o hindi? Kasi, yung iba, nagsabi sila na lalong hindi magporsige ang mga estudyante kasi alam nila napapasa sila kahit hindi man sila masyadong mag-aral ng mabuti. Yung iba naman, sang-ayon naman because they said that we don't deprive the students in their learning. Kailangan nilang ma-promote to the next level. Hindi pwedeng patagalin kasi nga yung educational system at yung edad nila kailangang match doon sa age level nila. So, nasa inyo na kung ano talaga, sang-ayon ba kayo o hindi. Basta dito sa Thailand, no failing grade. Yun lang po. So, bye-bye for now. God bless everyone.